Welcome to Conversations with Kimm. We will be talking about alcohol and drug-related offenses today. The biggest problem that we see with drugs and alcohol here in Hillsdale County, kind of just as it is through most of the nation, is methamphetamine. That's the biggest one here in Hillsdale County. For other, alcohol is kind of the next one up. There are some other offenses, you've got your heroin or cocaine, but those are the two biggest ones that I see. So if you are pulled over for a drug or alcohol related offense, the officers will provide you with a sobriety test. You're kind of mandated to do that. You'll do the, walk on, in a straight line. They'll ask you questions. And if they believe that you are actually under the influence, they could do a PBT, the breathalyzer test that you have. They can take you to the hospital, get your blood drawn, or take you out to the jail and do their data master, which is another form of a PBT. The first offense is punishable by up to 93 days in jail, fines and costs of up to $500. It is also a loss of your license. If you don't have anything else on your record, you could lose your license for 6 months with a restricted license available after 30 days. Well, if you are doing it on your own, then you can seek out different rehabs. There's a couple here in Hillsdale County. There are many throughout the state of Michigan that will take different insurances. You can call and get yourself help. Through the court system, you're going to be mandated to do that. You're going to be required to have a substance abuse assessment, and the courts will then go any punishment or your probation period off of those recommendations. If you are injured in a driving-related offenses, meaning you are not the person that is drunk driving, there are civil remedies that you have. You can sue in court for those body injuries, those property damages, and you can seek an attorney to get that information. You can call my office. We'll be happy to set up an appointment and talk to you about those. If you have a family member that is addicted to drugs or alcohol, you can do what they call the intervention and try to get them to admit their problem and get help themselves. However, that's usually pretty tough to do because most people don't want to admit that they have these problems. If your loved one is in the court system, is on probation, you can always call the probation department, talk to the probation officer, give them the additional information that they need, and they can also help tailor their probation to that specific area. You can call my office at 517-797-6021 or email me at kimm@kbergerlaw.com to get in touch with me and ask any questions that you might have.